Girl. Why can't it say hi?
It's too hard to be speaking.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday and welcome back for another weekly vlog. Oh, they do. We are currently headed to church. If you are new here, go ahead right now and press the red subscribe button and become a part of the Dawson gang. If you are a returning viewer, hey y'all, thank you all for always coming back and viewing more videos from us. Yeah, so don't really have much to do this week, but we're gonna see what I'm gonna be doing. But right now we are headed to church. Justice is, you wanna say hi? Josh don't want me to show him because he looked like yesterday. We just went to dinner, he came home and took it off, so he put it back on. Anywho, yeah, I don't have much to talk about, so I will catch back up. Oh, today we are doing some going shopping with my mom, so I'm going to bring you all along for that.
Speak of the devil.
That's real. Catch back up with y'all later. Hey y'all, it is now after church service. Church was good per usual. Now we are actually about to do some shopping with my mom, so we just pulled up over my granny house and we're gonna go shopping. So
And you go buy me a record also.
you hope.
Club.
And yeah, we're just getting adjusted some school stuff because school starts, or her school starts in 2 weeks. So my baby is going to kindergarten. I cannot believe it. She has grew up so fast. So we're just excited for this new chapter for her. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the days going and I will meet y'all on the inside. Okay, y'all. Hold on. Change of plans for really quick. Ooh, I'm blurry. Am I blurry? Hold on. Okay. So change of plans, y'all. My sister, I just FaceTimed her because we waiting on her. Of course, she's always going to be the one that's take too long and late. But we're waiting on her over my mama house because we about to, like I said, go shopping. So I FaceTimed her. Some lady picked up the phone, answered the phone, like, hey, you left your phone. I was just going to say, who are you? But Rhea left her phone at Walmart. So she said she was going to turn it to customer service, so I'm about to go pick it up for her. And then hopefully she'll just come on and come over my mama house and we can go on. But just wanted to check back in just to let y'all know that that's so funny to me. But anywho, thank God for her, though, that she's actually, you know, a good person and actually turning in the phone because folks be trying to steal for no reason. So, okay, y'all. Right when I was finna walk into Walmart, I seen Rhea in the parking lot. So she got her phone herself. So now I'm headed back to my mom's so that now we can finally go shopping. And I gotta cook dinner, so we gotta hurry up. Oh, and come stupid, like what the hell you do? I be in the studio and focus on my music. Cause I know what I stand. Know I got the keys to your heart and my nightstand. You gon' find the testing at the wonders and exciting. And you thought it was, nigga, you be coming right back, baby. Crying ain't gon' fix it, so I'm still here. Girl, this song's so contradictory. I like the song cause I like Queen Naja, but how he respects you, but he up here dealing with different women. Unless y'all not together, but what I get it, you talking about some, I don't know, maybe they ain't together, so never mind. All this love waiting just for you. Yeah.
One step forward, two steps much farther. Don't use big words, yeah.
Thank you. Give me a hug.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? what's going on in your heart. You love me. What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah.
This is a medium 7-8.
Yes.
It says a medium 8-10.
It's the 8 is what's the medium.
This is a boys.
Oh, I wish they had this one in navy blue. Oh, they do. It's not her size though. Shout out to my mama. Like, grannies that really do a lot for their grandkids. Baby, they are a blessing. Do you hear me? A blessing. These is cute. I love Target little baby stuff.
I'm
They got the biggest thing.
But you got $3. That thing is $120. I am not gonna buy that.
I got one egg.
That's what we'll ask Santa Claus for.
Yeah.
Whew.
Pick something small. Look.
I know.
Hopper man.
Mm-hmm. A lot of black people be. This should be like a collectible. I see a lot of people posting these on Instagram.
Yeah. And
This is
also,
cute.
she need a pole too.
No ma'am, that's $70.
Santa Claus will have to bring you that, okay? One small toy.
I want this one.
You see how they dolls are? They had more black girls.
They look more like the real American.
That's why I said this one is closer to the American Doll than the Walmart.
Hey, look at the sun.
Ooh, she can travel. She got her suitcase and her neck and her luggage. Oh yeah, that's cool.
I got the AKA stuff.
Girl.
Yes,
This what you want to get?
AKA, that's
Okay.
pretty.
She's obsessed with that.
Put it in the basket, baby. That's okay, cause when
It's your
she
one toy.
All right.
we get to college, baby.
No, she's gonna be a.
PT gonna pay for all AKA.
She gonna.
Say that tape. She said
I am. She gonna pay for it. Yeah.
Yeah. Will she pledge AKA?
If she play.
Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me?
It's hot.
What's it gonna take for you to show?
That's
Take for you to show feelings?
Mom, say hi.
I've been trying to take it slow, but my
Look at this, say hi.
it's too hard to be speaking.
Say hi.
Hi.
Come on, y'all. Shoot, I got the key to lock the door. Oh, Lord. I hope the air won't blast in here, because, baby, I'm too hot. Y'all, this is too dark. I'm trying to put it plain and light. I cooked Sunday dinner tonight. Fried chicken, macaroni, cheese, green beans, and Jiffy cornbread. Bon appetit. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, July the 27th. I hope y'all week has been going good. This week has been flying by in my opinion. But I am here. Yeah, don't ask me what happened to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of me vlogging. Y'all, it is so hard. Kudos to all the work, to all the stay-at-home moms or the moms that got their kids 24/7, because Justice has to be with me for 2 weeks, and it is so hard for me to kind of get like vlogging and content done with her here. She, soon as she see me with a camera, she wants to go and get all in the way. You know how kids do. They don't want nothing. They don't want nothing until they see you about to do something. So it is so hard for me to actually get content done. But right now, she is actually getting her hair braided. Her school starts week after next. So she got one more full week at home, and then that following week she will start school. So August is looking much better for your girl as far as YouTube, as far as getting content for real estate. So yeah, again, apologize, but this weekend should be a very fun weekend where I should have more than enough content, depending on, you know, how it goes. Because if you all know, this weekend is Shanova's birthday, and if you know Nova, you know my girl likes to turn up. So Sunday, it is Sunday the 31st. Her birthday is August 1st, so her birthday is actually Monday. But on Sunday, she wants to do a Sunday fun day type of brunch and just be out and about, turning up on Sundays at different places. So that should be fun. And then Saturday is a gender reveal. If you all watched the New Orleans travel vlog from the Bestication, Tasha, who was there, yeah, my girl was pregnant on the trip. No, she did not know. But yeah, so she has her gender reveal on Saturday, and then Friday. Why did I go backwards? Why didn't I go Friday, Saturday, Sunday? Leave it to me. I'm going to go Sunday, Saturday, Friday. Anywho, on Friday, Kenitha and I are hosting a surprise gathering here at my place for Shanova's birthday. So that should be fun. So like I said, this weekend I definitely have stuff to do, which I am going to attempt to bring you all along. But you know, if I happen to get too lit for TV, we just not gonna show y'all. Okay, we just not gonna even show y'all. So right now I'm about to clean up. I started actually cleaning the house to get ready for Friday on yesterday. So now I'm going to clean up the upstairs, clean up my room. Don't judge it. Nah, don't judge it. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all get some little glimpse of me cleaning up, but y'all don't judge it. Okay, but anywho, yeah, so let's go ahead and clean up.
Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Hey, can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me.
Y'all check my girl out. New hair, who this? Turn around, Juju. Yes, honey, it's Mommy Styles On Instagram, she always does Justice braids with weave. Turn around. I think they look so good. Yeah, she got a little color in there. She's school ready, period. Kindergarten ready. Rhea said they too long. Tell me what y'all think in the comment section. If y'all think they too long, being that she's just 5. I don't think it look grown, so I think it's fine. But and I knew she wanted some longer hair. I didn't tell her what length to do it. She just did it, but I don't think they too long. But yeah, y'all, Mommy Styles on Instagram. Book with her if you're in Nashville. She specializes in kids' braids and natural hair. You think you're cute?
Mm-hmm.
How cute you are?
A lot.
Okay. You ready for school?
Mm-hmm.
Bet you are.
I need a school backpack for kindergarten.
Yeah, you gotta get a new backpack for kindergarten. We know.
Did I go well with fake hair in kindergarten?
What'd you say?
Did I go well with fake hair in kindergarten?
Yeah, that's why you got the hair done for school. Don't mind the stuff on the bed. The stuff I moved from downstairs that I brought up here and set on the bed. But I'm about to install. Hold on. I'm gonna install this Love Me. This wig by Love Me Hair. It is a Kinky Curly 14-inch 5x5 closure. I'm going to attempt to crust crown, but I'm going to attempt to install this wig and record it. So if all goes well, that will be a separate video. More than likely, I'm going to put that out probably, what's today? Thursday. If I get it edited and stuff by Friday, I'm gonna put that out. Or if I don't, I know I'm not gonna have this vlog done because by Sunday, which is my upload day, because we're going out on Sunday. So if I could have that vlog done, I might post that on Sunday and then just get this vlog edited throughout the week and then post that. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned for that. If that comes out first, I will be sure to put that link in the description box so that y'all can check it out.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that good? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind, rewind, rewind. Hiding his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't to go. Maybe I need some space. Maybe I need some space. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love.
Okay, y'all, get into this undetectable lace. Like, lace wear. Like, this is my first time ordering from Love Me Hair, and I definitely feel like they love us because it's called Love Me for a reason, because I'm impressed. I would always get kind of mixed reviews about Love Me, and the main one that I got was that their wigs always shed a lot. However, this one really had minimum to no shedding. Now, granted, this is the first day that I've worn it, so, but yeah, I'm very, very, very proud of this wig. It actually done poofed up now because it's dry, but I like this style as well, it being more poofy. So this is definitely gonna be my go-to. So y'all gonna get used to seeing this wig in my head, because I was tired of that straight middle part. Here I am with another middle part. But even if I wanted to change the part, I could, because it's a 5x5 lace closure. So if I wanted to make it a side part, let me show y'all. Oh, well, I mean, y'all get the point. If I wanted to make it a side part, I could. So look at my, y'all, this was my first time bleaching my knots, and yeah, I got some more practicing to do, but I don't think it looked that bad. But yeah, if I wanted to make it a, I mean, of course I had to put some stuff on it to get it to lay right, but I definitely will be rocking this in the side part as well. So yeah, y'all, I am so, let me just show y'all, so y'all see how this kind of frizzed up, because I just kind of ran that comb through it. And then once you put some products in there, this is just a Cantu Curly Wave Whip Curl Mousse. Curly Mousse. So, look at that. Hold on. And then if you even define the curls more about, look at that. Look at that curl pattern versus this one. Like, yeah. I ain't gonna do it. It's literally like almost midnight. But I did just want to, before I maybe take this off, I really could sleep in it and just tie this down and twist up this part and put me a bonnet on because it's really like down flat, and I didn't even use no glue, y'all. I just used the Gots to Be Spritz Blasting Freeze Spray. This what I use. Y'all seen a little bit of that clip when I was trying to do the cap, bob cap, whatever it's called, the wig cap. When I was doing it, y'all seen I used that, and then I just used that on the edges as well. And like, I am very, let me zoom in. Oh damn, hold on. Okay, like, look at that. And it's lace right here, like you can't even see where it starts. So honey, this lace matched in perfectly with my complexion, I guess, because like literally I can't even see where the lace is on mine unless I just cut it super close and good like that. I don't know, but yeah, I think this gonna stay in overnight. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all in the morning to let y'all know how it turns out. I might even show you all me, you know, untwisting the twist that I'm gonna put in. I'm gonna wet it some, put some little conditioner on it, and probably some more of that curly mousse, and then I'm just gonna twist it. My mama said I shouldn't even twist it, but when I've always had curly hair in the past, I've always kind of twisted it at night. So I think I'm gonna try that. If I don't like the way that does and how it turned out tomorrow, then I'll just re-wet it to get it back, you know, curly or whatever, to get it back to its original state. But anywho, I'm making this clip too long, but like I said, I did just want to, here I am repeating myself, did just want to show you all how it looks. Now this been at least 5 hours after it was put in, so yeah, y'all, your girl, I gotta finish cleaning up to get ready for this Shanova's little surprise gathering over here tomorrow. So I'm gonna holler at you all later. See y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Just this. Yeah, excuse the way I look right now because I ain't got nothing done, but I hope you all's Friday is going good. Our Friday is finna be lit. Kanita's here.
Kanita's here.
Just this.
Just this.
You childish.
You childish.
So yeah, it's gonna be lit. So just this. It's gonna be lit starting today, because today is Shanova's surprise gathering she knows nothing about. She thinks we're going to air race to turn up with the margaritas, but we actually turn up here. So that should be fun. I'm going to bring you all along with us. Tomorrow, what's tomorrow? Tasha's reveal. Are we supposed to bring something for that? Some diapers.
Yeah.
And water.
White.
Okay. So yeah, what time you going? Anyways, I forgot what I was saying, but yeah, tonight is going to be lit. We have Shanova's surprise gathering that she knows nothing about, and then Saturday is Tasha's gender reveal, and then Sunday is Sunday Fun Day with Nova style. I'm trying to prepare my body for Sunday. Today should be not that hard. I'm the host. Well, me and Kanita the host, but you know, when it's your house, you gotta do most of the work. So I'm gonna I can get away with not taking shots today. Right now, we about to go to the grocery store. I'm dropping Justice off. She's gone for the night. She will be back tomorrow. So I gotta make some grocery store runs, and yeah, I might bring you all along with me. Y'all know I'll be trying to vlog without looking like a vlogger, so I don't know. If Kanita come with me, I might feel better vlogging because I'm not by myself. People look at both of us, not just me. But anywho, I might bring y'all along. If not, y'all just see us tonight, so I will be back. All these balloons keep turning.
You call me a bee?
I did not say that. Why would I call you that? Come take a shot with me, Shanova. Y'all come take a shot with me.
I ain't got time to take no shot.
Come on. It'll be quick. Oh, hey, bestie.
Hey, Pastor.
Come on.
What we shooting?
Don't worry about it. Just come up here.
Girl, hey.
It's your birthday, sis. It's your birthday, sis.
Okay, I'll call you when we have when you come. Well, we on our way.
Okay.
Alright.
All right, bye. Air race. And then I told Kenita, I said, Shanova is, oops, sorry. I said, Shanova gonna be the one that's just not gonna just say okay. Come on, Lisa.
Okay. Get some of that Taylor Port.
Okay.
Everybody been drinking.
Okay.
Somebody put me on it.
And what you finna mix
Same
with
thing
it?
I made up. Somebody I seen do this.
What you finna mix with it?
Girl, I'm happy.
Girl, look
I ain't gonna put that much in there.
Look at her, y'all. Get that to
Just a
Shanova.
little
Make
bit.
Shanova one of them. But she like peach.
Give us a peach flavor. Just a little bit, not too much.
She gonna be sick.
No. You gonna be right.
This is what you got, like I'm saying, little balls. And you probably got like 4 hairs on it.
Ew.
Right, but then the extensions is what a single hair you put on a single.
It's too
A single lash. You put it on your
I can
lash.
tell that can get you messed up, but that's not bad. That's not bad.
You know, and
I would probably just sip that all night.
They don't
That
have
one
like that
cup. Okay, y'all, we are waiting on Shanova to pull up. I ain't checked back with y'all since earlier, and phew, but we waiting on Shanova to pull up, so they are on their way. Nobody's really here yet, but it's cool. It's outside.
Okay, we got one till she come on. That's the light that should we just be in here?
No,
Yeah.
y'all just saying let us stand right here.
I think you cut it off and we do the flashlight. Okay. So she'd be like, what is
No,
this
come on,
thing
y'all.
going
Let's
on?
go on this side. Let's
I don't know, but it's too late.
She don't see the happy birthday on the phone.
Oh, okay. So turn it.
You gotta be black.
Who pressing play? We gonna do that. We gonna say the prayer.
But somebody got to click the light.
Now we just gonna be doing this like it's for a second. She gonna be trying to figure out what.
I'm going to say it's...
Y'all ready? Up to it, down to it, F those who don't do it. We do it, we choose to it. Drink up, drink up,
Hey y'all, real quick, cause I don't want to get copywritten. We are just chilling. Kenita, you having fun? Raquel, you having fun? Yes, probably. All right, y'all, we finna play Taboo. So they don't want to come in here and play. This was the plan to play games. They just want to, Shanova, the birthday girl, just want to do hookah at the table. Mine. Hey, you guys, happy Sunday. Ooh, child, y'all, yesterday, baby, yeah, I just did not pick up the camera. Sorry, y'all. I told y'all I was bringing y'all along for the gender reveal and stuff, but child, after Friday, your girl was tired all Saturday, and then, yeah. And then we just chilled over Kenita and them house on Saturday. So today though should be a fun day. I'm going to bring you along for real today, because we're going brunching for Shanova's birthday, and then I believe we We were going downtown, but it's raining here in Nashville. And I got on this 2-piece set, and the material is like, I feel like it's gonna show every raindrop and all that. So I don't know how this gonna work out, but yeah, I'm gonna bring you all along today. So come on. Right now I'm headed to Kenith and them house because I'm going to ride with them to the place called Calendars, and then dang, I ain't got no mask. I have to wear this one. I wore this one yesterday though. Anywho, we're going to this place called Calendars. I've never been there before, so I'm excited to see how that's going to be. And then we're going to, we were doing downtown, but I'm not sure about the next stop. So whatever we do, I'm going to bring y'all along. So y'all stay tuned, and I'm going to catch back up with y'all in a few. I catch my godson out.
Where's new paper on the table come from, man?
Huh?
Where's paper come from?
I need it. Y'all want that?
You put it in your room.
I know. I don't.
Check them out.
Can you put this paper
In
on
the
the table right
kitchen
now?
with
What paper?
Birthday girl.
Where did it come from?
Shanova, you ready?
Turn up, turn up.
You ready?
Hope y'all had y'all water.
Where did it come from?
What,
I
baby?
don't know.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now.
Name out why you can reach it. I'm a man, you say how to hop a pen. Yeah, you run it now. You run it.
Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. Made a wish, now I'm here now. It's for real now. I got everything I wanted and it's jumping like for real now. Out the mud, just an upstate boy now. I'm living like for real now. Ain't nothing, just an action with some muscle. Same fit 4 days, I just blame it on the hustle. Got these tattoos on my skin, I promise I'm no trouble. I'm from cash inside the duffel, not 6 inside the Russell. I get fly, you be crutching on designer that ain't fly. In LA, I scoop the cat or something fast for when I slide. Burning rubber, they gon' tax me for the tires, it's alright. On my lonely, I just start up that new iron and I ride. Yeah, this is not a trend. Tattoos on my skin, I'm my daddy's twin. I'm a businessman, just like Jigga said. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down.
Hey y'all, your girl is back home from a long day of fun. As y'all can see, we went to Calendars, and then after Calendars we went over Shanova's cousin's house, Sophia. So didn't get anything there because we were just chilling over there. But I came home pretty early tonight at a decent time. Hold on, is it gonna let me? Dang, oh no, I didn't. Okay, I came home at a decent time tonight. I think I was back home by 7:30, so that's not too late. You know, when you turn up early, you get to come home early, so that's what I like about early fun. But right now I'm just about to unwind, kind of get mentally prepared for tomorrow. I do start a new schedule at 6 o'clock in the morning, so I plan on waking up at 5 just because I have some things that I need to do in the morning. Like I need to plan out my month for the month of August. I need to also, because I paid off my car, thank you Jesus, now I want to kind of just write down all my bills and just kind of budget more, and you know, just to kind of see where my money is going to, what I'm paying, rearrange some things so that I can save more. I want to do that tomorrow, and then I have some content that I want to do this week. So even though Justice is still home, I'm gonna try to get some stuff done while she's here at home with me. I know on Tuesday I have an event with my real estate agent, with my firm. We are going to participate in the back to school drive on Tuesday from 12 to 3. So I will try to get some shots from there, just depends on how that goes. And then also on Sunday, my friend Portia, who she's like a social media blogger, she just invited me to this little social like type of influencer type of thing. I had written her a couple months ago, asked her how do I kind of change my social media to be more, you know, on the influencer side so that I could start getting partnerships with stuff. And so she gave me some recommendations, and then she just sent me this thing that I'm going to go to on Sunday with her. So that should be fun as well. This week I'm really just planning on organizing Justice stuff. She starts school on next week. So I plan on organizing her clothes, her drawers, getting her school clothes, putting up, just organizing everybody's clothes, fixing all these drawers and all of that. So that's about all I have planned for this week. Not really. It's a chill week for me, a chill and productive week. So get back in the gym. Me and my friends supposed to attempt to get to the gym at 4 o'clock on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So that's a goal of mine as well for this weekend. Yeah, y'all, I'm still loving this wig from Love Me Hair. Like, it looks so good. I get so many compliments on it. So this is definitely a great buy. But like I said, right now I'm just finna unwind. I might let y'all see some moments of that, take a shower, do me a little face regimen tonight, and chill out, chill with Josh. Justice is knocked out. She came back home today. I think she had a great weekend because she decided to go lay in bed and go to sleep herself. Nobody had to tell her to. So she just kind of fell out, so I let her just stay asleep. But I guess just in case I don't show you all any moments, let me go ahead and close out this video right now. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and become a part of the DOS gang. And also don't forget to tap that post notification bell so that you all can be notified when we upload more videos. Like, share, comment, all of that. Bring people over to our channel. We are on the road to 1,000, so help us get there by doing all of those things and suggesting this video, okay? Also, leave me a comment down in the comment section of what type of videos you would like to see from me or my family this month of August. I do have some type of things that I want to do this month as far as getting different type of content. I know I want to try a routine video since I work from home and Justice is going to be going to school this year. I might do a morning routine video this month, as well as just some real estate stuff with TikTok. I know I said last month I was supposed to start including TikTok, but I'm definitely going to start on that in August. So just go ahead and leave me some comments down of what videos you would like Also, thank you all for watching if you have made it this far. And make sure you are still wearing your mask. And if you have not got the vaccine shot already, please get it, y'all. And until next time, peace.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Won't color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? Treasure buried deeper with each loss, so filled with grief and catastrophic thoughts, insecurity, distorted flaws. It all gets heavy, sinking under all the cost. Sure that I'm not sure. I know when I don't know it, so I listen for that inner voice. It carries the wind, drowns out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? I know there's so much trauma, but try search inside my love. Carried the